Hi, my name is Jignesh Darji and I am here to solve your Cosmos DB related problems. You may have facing the issues or challenges like Azure Cosmos DB with the Azure Cosmos DB emulator that port 8081 is already in use. So here I am come with the solution how you can change this particular port and you can run your Azure Cosmos DB emulator in your local systems. First, I want to introduce what is the Azure Cosmos DB emulator and how you can utilize this particular tools to create the Cosmos DB for the local servers, or you can like in your local systems. Azure Cosmos DB emulator is an emulator for Cosmos database, and you can install on your local systems to utilize the Azure Cosmos DB with your programs, or you can say you with your uh, functions, and you can your app services and all those to test how it's behave with the Cosmos DB and how you can interact with the Cosmos DB on the live servers as well. So before going to or using with the live server, you if you want to check with the Cosmos DB at the local end, you can install the Azure Cosmos DB emulator on your local systems. Sometimes once you may facing the issues like by default it's like port 8081 is already in use because Azure Cosmos DB use the 8081 port as a default port to run the Azure Cosmos DB emulator explorer in the browser. So if you have a application which already use the 8081 port for to run that particular functionalities of that applications, then you may facing challenges like port 8081 is already in use while you are running the Azure Cosmos DB emulators. So let's start with the solutions and how you can find how you can resolve this issue with the simple step. So I just opened the Cosmos DB emulators. I quickly open the Cosmos DB emulator, and I faced this challenges. Port 8081 is already in use. Use slash forward slash port equal to port to specify a different rule. So I just click on the OK, and let's wait to shutting down this particular Azure Cosmos emulator. You have to wait to shut down this Azure Cosmos emulator before performing the or you can assign the new port numbers. Now it's shut down totally. So I just quickly open the path where Azure Cosmos DB emulator install, and I just open the CMD from that particular path. So I just here I write the CMD and open the CMD. Here I quickly write the Cosmos DB emulators, and I use forward slash port equal to 8086, or you can specify the any other port number which is available, and I just enter, click on the enter. So let's wait to Cosmos DB to configure with the new port numbers, and once it is configured, a Cosmos DB emulator automatically start. You can check in the notification that Azure Cosmos DB emulator is starting, and once it is starting and loading the all the functionality, it automatically open the Azure Cosmos DB Explorer in the browser side. So this is all about how you can set your custom port to the Cosmos DB emulators, and you can start the Cosmos DB emulator with the new configure port numbers. And this solution also solve your problem that port number 8081 is already in use. So thank you for watching this videos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.